Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add the PayPal payment method in Hostinger website builder. It's simple. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Go to websites. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder. Click on edit website or directly click on manage store. Now go to settings, then click on payments. If you don't see PayPal here, just change your company location to the US and you will see this PayPal payment gateway. Click on this connect button. Try to fill in your PayPal email here and click connect. PayPal detects that I already have a PayPal account with them, so log in to your PayPal account. By the way, this PayPal account should be a PayPal business and not a personal PayPal account. It is easier to switch between these two. As you see, you're all set. You're linked to Hostinger International Limited and ready to take payments on your site. Now click on this return to Hostinger. And just like that, you will see this enabled title next to your PayPal. If you see pending in orange color instead of this enabled in green color, just refresh this page and you will start seeing enabled. And of course, click on edit website and then update website to make sure everything is published online. Let's view my website live. Click on store. Let's open this product. This is a booking or an online booking product created in Hostinger website builder. Click on book now or add product to bag or add to bag. In my case, I will select a date and time. Fill in my email address, name here, select a country, click on confirm booking. And now I can start receiving PayPal payments on my website built using Hostinger website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Common errors that you may face while trying to apply this tutorial starts with not having the right website builder plan. Unfortunately, lately Hostinger started requiring having a business website builder in order to connect payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal or even the manual payment, because with the premium website builder plan, e-commerce features are not available. This is very unfortunate. You will face this issue when you try to visit this payments page. You will see a pop-up trying to upgrade you to the website or to the business website builder plan. At least you have this option of upgrading. The second issue you may face while trying to have this PayPal payment gateway added is seeing a pop-up, or when you try to, let's return to my online store. When you try to click this book now or add to back button, you will see a pop-up with we can't accept online orders right now. If you face this issue, this is very simple. Just click or just go to settings, then hit shipping, or then click on create zone. Give your shipping zone a name here, for example, international shipping. Then click on add country and select all countries. And yes, add this new shipping zone. You will see in my case, it's called international shipping. After creating at least one shipping zone, you can start receiving orders on your online store. And this is how to add the PayPal payment method in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.